Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Lethabo Mampana and I'm back again with another YouTube video. If it's your first time up in this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can become part of the family. If you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, shout out to you. You and I are buddies. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can be spread out to other people in recommendation. Then they can get to enjoy the good content that comes with this video. So guys, today is just another day in the life of a broke Forex trader where I'm simply trying to make my money off of Forex, trying to make money online in 2023. So I'm just going to quickly look or have a look at some certain pairs that I can trade, or that you can actually just mark down on your trading view as well so that you can monitor them for the next time. Because today is Friday, is NFP. I'm not sure if I'll be trading. Actually, I won't be trading, but then I'll just have a look at some pairs and I will show you what is my sentiment on those pairs. Then if you want to trade along with me, you can just mark out everything that I'm doing on my trading view to your trading view so that you can do follow them religiously on your trading view. Then you can capitalize from them if they do happen to play out. You know what I mean? So without any further ado, let's get right into my laptop screen and let me share with you what is it that I'm doing there. But before I can go ahead with this video, don't forget that I have a sponsor, which is Fibo Group, which is a reliable broker, international reliable broker that you can trade with. So for more information, you can just simply hit the link in my description, register your account and verify your documents. Deposit $10, which is a minimum for now, and I will put you in my WhatsApp group, which is a $10 challenge group. Whoever gets to $100 first, I will top that $100 with another $100 to make it $200. Then they can withdraw it or continue to trade it. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Peace. All right guys, we are now on my laptop screen. So now that we're here, the pair that we are going to look at is NZDJPY. But before I can have a look, or before we can analyze how NZDJPY goes and where it will go next, I want to remind you guys, actually I want to show you guys how the Fibo Group platform works. With this broker, you can simply trust your money in, and you can also trade cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and the likes. So let me just show you how it works. As you can see, you can just come here when you add your symbol, like any other broker. When you add symbol on MetaTrader 4, you can just come here. As you can see, there is CFD and it's Forex, CFD analysis, it's crypto 1. You see, so you can just click on that crypto and you will see Bitcoin in there. So you can simply trade cryptocurrencies with this broker without any problems. And remember that there is same day withdrawals, so you don't have to worry about having to wait long hours or long days or for you to receive your payment. So if you're going to then withdraw via cryptocurrency, it's just within minutes and the money will be in your account. So this is how you can go about trading cryptocurrencies. So this is Bitcoin Cash, this is Dash, this is Ethereum, this is Ethereum again, and Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Monero, Ripple, Zcash. You see, you can just simply trade them. And remember that with crypto, you can trade even over the weekend, like you do on the Reef when you trade your indexes, your volatility 75 index and your boom and crash indexes. So even with this one, you can still do it on this or with this broker. So if you want to go ahead and register your account with this broker, you can just simply use the link that is provided in the description of this video and simply deposit $10, and I will put you in my newly formed WhatsApp group, which is called $10 challenge. So basically what we're doing in there, we are having a competition basically. So we all have accounts that are $10 within this Fibo Group. So what we're going to do is we're going to trade those accounts. So whoever that gets to $100 first will get to receive another $100 personally from my pocket. Then that amount will then be $200. You can simply withdraw it, or you can continue trading it until you feel comfortable withdrawing whatever amount that you would like to withdraw. So if you want to join, you can just simply hit the link on my description. And remember that you have to register with your email, then verify your documents before you can deposit. Then once you deposit it, make sure that you do hit me up on my WhatsApp number, then I will add you to the group. And obviously you will have to show me some proof that you did register under my link, and you have already deposited that $10. Then everything will be up and running. You will be entered into the competition where you will be then able to compete for that $100. If you get to that $100 first, then you will be able to get another $100 from myself. So guys, without any further ado, let's just continue with the video. Alright, so like I said, this is NZDJPY, and here we are on daily time frame. So let's begin with the analysis. So let me firstly zoom out so that we can firstly see where the market is going. So remember, on daily time frame and 4-hour time frame, or let me rather say right now on daily time frame, what we want to see is to establish the market structure. We have to know where the market is currently heading to, right? Then we can take advantage of that. And once we know that, then we're going to jump straight to 4-hour time frame. When you get to 4-hour time frame, we want to still confirm the movement that we saw on daily time frame, and also we want to see ourselves pinpointing our point of interest. And like I always say on my channel, point of interest can be looked into in about 3 ways though. So the first way is by high, the second way is by low, and the third way is by order blocks. So those are the point of interest that we are going to then have to look out for on 4-hour time frame. So right now we're on daily time frame, and what we need to just establish is market structure. So I'm going to have a look at price just from here. Let's take it from here. You see where I've put my my vertical line. You see it? So let's look at the right. So we're going to focus on this price action that is sitting on the right side of this horizontal line. Vertical line. Why do I keep on saying horizontal? So we're going to focus on this price action, this one. So this price action will give us a better understanding of what is it that is happening on the market at the moment. So let's go ahead and follow price action. But before that, as you can clearly see, we are heading to the upside when you look at it like this. But like I always say, you don't have to take my word for it. What we need to do is to follow price action religiously. Then we can have a better understanding of where the market is going. So right now, let me just begin from here. So this is a low, and let me just say this is a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high here, higher low, higher high, higher low. Let me zoom in. Higher high, higher low, higher high, then change of character to the downside, then we have a low here. So we're going to further go to 4-hour time frame to see if what we saw on daily time frame is correct, right? So as you can see, the structure here was broken. Let me say this was a high, right? Then low, higher high, higher low. This here is a higher high, and this inside is a higher low. Then we can see a change of character to the downside, meaning that the market is now no longer going to the upside, however it's now going to the downside. It has changed character to the downside. So let's go to 4-hour time frame and let's confirm if that indeed is true even there. So this is how we have it on 4-hour time frame. So we have that high there, high, low, and we have a higher high, higher low, then higher high. Now as you can see, change of character to the downside, and now we have a lower low down there. So meaning that we are no longer going to the upside here on NZDJPY. At the moment, we are going to the downside. So I'm just going to mark out certain levels so that we can have a better view. So where's the trend line? Okay, here it is. So this is a break of structure to the upside. So price broke the structure to the upside and it left this low here. So this was a low that we were waiting for a change of character to happen there. Then price impulsively came and broke that structure there, or change character there. So it left an order block. Obviously, where is the order block? Here is the order block that we need to see price coming and tapping into before we can move forward. So this is the order block that we need to focus on at the moment. Nothing else. There is no any other order block that we can focus on apart from this one that we are marking right now here. So what we want to see price going further to the upside, tapping into that order block. Then once it tap into that order block, we can simply move to 15 minutes time frame. Then when we get to 15 minutes time frame, we want to see a change of character happening to the downside there as well, then going to the upside again to take us in, then we can go to the downside with it. I'm not sure if I'm making sense, and if I'm not making sense, you can just simply leave me a comment in the comment section down below and I will further explain what I mean here. So this is what we want to see happening here on 4 hour time frame. So let's just say right now price had moved into this order block, then we're going to switch to 15 minutes time frame. So this is what we want to see on 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see, price is currently here. So I'm just going to pretend like price has already moved to the upside. So okay, let me do it like this. So price is currently here. So we want to see price coming and tapping into this order block. So once it tapped into this order block, then we want to see price moving to the downside, right? Okay, or let me just demonstrate it like this so that it can make sense, so that everyone can understand what I'm trying to say. So price obviously won't just shoot straight up, it will go like this. So price then will tap into that order block. So let me leave it here. So what happens here is we have a high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So you can see now on on 15 minutes time frame, we're no longer going to the downside as yet. We are still going to the upside. But remember, the daily time frame as well as 4 hour time frame says we are going to the downside because we had a change of character when price was removing this low down here. So even on 15 minutes time frame, we want to see price going to the downside, not to the upside. So as we already as we normally do on my channel, is that we wait for price to tap into that order block, and once it tapped on that order block, we're going to 15 minutes time frame. When we get to 15 minutes time frame, we're still going to follow price action religiously to see what price action is doing. We cannot just do things because we feel like they will happen a certain way. No, we have to do things according to what price is printing on the market, right? So we have a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Why? Because price was going into that order block which was at the top, right? So what we want to see happening is we want to see price doing something of this nature. So this is the high that was left before price could tap into that order block, right? Then we want to see now price removing this low before we can safely say we are now going to the downside on 15 minutes time frame. So then we want to see price going to the downside, breaking this level as change of character impulsively, and going and tapping into a certain order block that would have been left there, then to further plummet to the downside, and our final target will be this level down here. So this is exactly what I'm expecting to see happening here on on 15 minutes time frame on NZDJPY. So guys, this is NZDJPY. This is how I'm expecting everything to play out. And if you would like to trade it for next week, you can just simply mark everything out as I've marked them on my trading view. You can just simply replicate on your trading view as well. Then you can just follow it or monitor it, then follow it once it plays out. So this is how I have it on my trading view, guys. And remember, if you would like to join our WhatsApp community group, you can just simply hit me up on my WhatsApp number and I will add you to that group. And if you want to join the $10 challenge, you need to register your account, verify it with Fibo Group using the link in my description down below. So it has been your boy Lethabo Mampana, and I'm out. Peace.